This is a test of Towallmark drill that I received from Amazon Vine. So we're gonna try to use it to drill 4 holes in this sheet of metal. Alright, let's go. Alright, maybe I need to use a different drill bit. Let's try the black one. Alright, test 2. I used the wrong drill bit for the first time. I guess I need to try this one. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Cool. And this one. And the last one. Okay, to be more precise. Alright, done. So we drilled 4 holes in a piece of metal. At the second setting with the black drill bit, works great.
I've only used this for 5 minutes and it's already smoking. Piece of junk.